$53 billion in gold flows through this city every year, and now engineers are building a street from the precious metal itself.
800 meters of boulevard will be infused with real gold, creating an engineering marvel that has never existed anywhere on Earth.
7 specialized layers, 400 kilograms of gold, and 12 months of precision engineering. This is how you build the impossible.
Watch as ancient trading heritage meets 21st century innovation, transforming Dubai's golden legacy into something the world has never seen.
1,000 workers, 300 machines, and one vision. The construction of the world's first gold street begins now.
8 bulldozers clear 20,000 square meters in perfect formation, every blade stroke calculated to the centimeter. Excavators remove 12,000 cubic meters of desert soil to reach the stable foundation layer beneath. Every square meter undergoes California bearing ratio testing. The foundation must support 2 million visitors annually. Cement stabilization transforms desert sand into load-bearing foundation, tripling the soil's structural strength. Vibratory rollers deliver 600 passes per linear meter, compacting soil to 98% maximum density.
Geotextile fabric prevents aggregate migration, maintaining structural integrity for decades of foot traffic.
5,000 tons of UAE limestone aggregate arrives, the backbone of the pavement structure.
Laser-guided graders spread aggregate at precisely 2% cross-slope, directing water away from gold surfaces.
Tandem rollers compact aggregate to 95% modified Proctor density, creating unshakable foundation.
Impact hammer testing confirms optimal aggregate interlock, each stone mechanically bonded to its neighbors. Prime coat penetrates the aggregate layer, creating permanent bond between stone base and asphalt above.
Polymer-modified asphalt mixes at 106 degrees Celsius, engineered to withstand Dubai's extreme temperature cycles.
Insulated haulers maintain precise temperature during the 12-kilometer journey from plant to site.
Hot mix asphalt transfers at 148 degrees. Every load verified before paving begins.
The paver's heated screed lays 80 millimeters of binder course, the structural heart of the Gold Street pavement. Breakdown rolling begins within 60 seconds of placement, sealing the asphalt before temperature drops. Pneumatic rollers knead the asphalt, eliminating air voids through controlled tire pressure and oscillation. Finish rollers achieve tolerances within 3 millimeters, precision required for the gold surface layer above. 24 hours of controlled curing, while the polymer matrix reaches full structural strength. A thermal reflective barrier reduces surface temperatures by 15 degrees, protecting the gold integration above. 400 kilograms of gold components wait in climate-controlled storage, ready for integration into the boulevard surface. Planetary mixers blend gold particles into UV-stabilized epoxy, creating the street's signature golden surface matrix. The moment engineers have prepared for. Gold-infused resin meets the boulevard surface for the first time in history. 8 millimeters of gold-infused resin covers every square meter. $40,000 of material per section. Gold-coated aggregate broadcasts into wet resin, creating non-slip texture while preserving the golden finish. UV lamps accelerate epoxy curing, achieving full hardness in 8 hours rather than 72.
Master gilders apply 24-karat gold leaf to accent channels, traditional techniques meeting modern engineering. Aerospace-grade polyurethane sealant protects every gold element, rated for 50 years of direct sunlight exposure. Gold anodized aluminum curbing integrates LED channels. The boulevard will glow gold after sunset. Mashrabiyah-inspired drain grates blend Arabic heritage with modern stormwater engineering. 40 custom light poles rise along the boulevard, each housing gold finished with traditional Arabic lantern design.
Sequential commissioning confirms each fixture. Warm LED light designed to enhance the gold surface reflection.
tree pits excavated with root barriers protecting the gold surface. Desert irrigation ensures palm survival.
8-meter date palms, cultivated for 5 years, take their positions along the world's first gold street. Gold anodized support steady each palm, while golden gravel mulch completes the visual integration. 60 custom benches with geometric Arabic patterns, each anchored without damaging the precious gold surface. Digital wayfinding pylons will display live gold prices, connecting visitors to the district's trading heritage. Bougainvillea and lantana in gold-edged planters, desert flowers chosen to complement the golden palette. Gold tactile strips guide visually impaired visitors, universal design integrated into every surface.
12 sculptures celebrate Dubai's gold trading heritage. This thou form honors the merchants who built the city.
Arabic calligraphy bollards and crystalline sculptures, every element references gold's cultural significance. Mashrabiyya-inspired shade canopies will cast geometric shadows, blending climate comfort with cultural design. Gold-tinted membrane reflects 80% of solar heat, keeping the boulevard walkable in summer.
800 meters of boulevard, half shaded by golden canopies, half open to Arabian sky. High-pressure misting creates a 6-degree cooling zone, making summer walks comfortable beneath the canopy.
Concealed speakers will fill the boulevard with traditional Arabic melodies, honoring the souk's musical heritage. Gold-finished security systems protect visitors. 400 kilograms of precious material requires vigilant monitoring. Bilingual wayfinding in Arabic and English, guiding visitors from 147 nations to Dubai's treasures.
Purified water pressure washing protects the gold finish, every surface polished to reveal true brilliance. The moment of truth. Full illumination transforms the boulevard into a river of light.
Mist-catching LED light creates golden shimmer. The boulevard will seem to glow from within.
The 4 government authorities inspect every element. 800 meters, 0 deficiencies recorded. Final punch list items resolved. 16 minor touch-ups separate the boulevard from absolute perfection.
12 months of barriers come down. The world's first gold street emerges into morning light.
Professional documentation captures every detail. Images that will travel to news outlets across the globe.
1,000 workers from 40 nations, the hands that built the world's first gold street.
Every system activated, the boulevard awaits its first visitors. Distinguished guests gather. The moment arrives to open the world's first gold street to humanity.
The golden ribbon falls, and humanity steps onto a street unlike anything built before. Visitors from across the globe take their first steps. Ancient trading heritage meets modern marvel.
Every sculpture, every bench, every shadow tells the story of Dubai's golden heritage.
Mashrabiyya shadows dance across the gold. Visitors discover climate comfort within traditional design.
As the sun sets over Deira, the boulevard prepares to reveal its nighttime transformation.
800 meters of boulevard ignite, liquid gold stretching into the Dubai night. Mist catches light. Visitors walk through clouds of shimmering gold. The gold souk's 1,000 shops illuminate alongside their glittering new neighbor.
From Deira's rooftops, the boulevard appears as a golden river flowing through history.
24-karat gold protected beneath aerospace sealant, each leaf hand-applied by master gilders.
2 million annual visitors. The engineering ensures every step preserves the golden finish.
Live gold prices in 12 currencies, connecting visitors to the market that shaped Dubai.
12 sculptures celebrate gold's journey, from desert trade routes to modern economic powerhouse.
60 benches offer rest and reflection, perfect vantage points for watching gold come alive.
Universal design ensures every visitor, regardless of ability, experiences the Golden Boulevard.
Date palms that saw traders trade centuries ago now shade visitors walking on gold.
Nightly maintenance preserves the pristine finish, ensuring tomorrow's visitors find perfection waiting.
147 nationalities will walk this golden path. The world finds its way to Dubai.
News networks broadcast to billions. The world's first gold street enters global imagination.
800 meters of gold, stretching through the heart of historic Dubai.
The Gold Street leads seamlessly into the souk that inspired it. Heritage and innovation united. $53 billion flows through Dubai's gold trade. The street amplifies centuries of commerce. Every face tells the story. Thousands fill the Golden Boulevard, the vision of a pedestrian paradise realized. As crowds thin, the boulevard reveals its quieter magic. Gold glowing into Dubai's night. Dawn breaks over Dera. The Golden Boulevard awaits another day of wonder.
Sunrise ignites the boulevard, gold catching fire as Dubai awakens. The daily rhythm begins. Joggers, merchants, coffee, Dubai's golden routine. Tour groups, commuters, students, the boulevard serves all who walk its golden path.
Months after opening, visitor records broken, international delegations studying the achievement.
From desert sand to Golden Boulevard, 12 months that changed what seemed possible.
800 meters, 400 kilograms, 1,000 workers, 12 months, numbers that built history.
The hands that built this wonder return, walking the surface they created for the world. Among a city of wonders, a new landmark takes its place in Dubai's golden legacy.
Under the Arabian sun, the world's first gold street stands complete. 12 months, 300,000 work hours, compressed into one golden transformation.
From raw desert earth to gleaming gold, the transformation nears its breathtaking conclusion.
Dubai's Gold Street, the world's first boulevard paved with precious gold, standing as testament to human imagination.
Where ambition meets artistry, Dubai writes another chapter in gold.
Subscribe to Industrial Evolution for more videos exploring how the modern world is built.